Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths F YouTube channel, and this is Shiraj Patil. Okay, we are solving the questions based on the. Okay. In last class, we have completed the basics of real number and Euclid's division lemma. Euclid'ನ ಭಾಗಾಕಾರ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಮೇಯ. Exactly. ಪ್ರಮೇಯ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಡ್ನ ಭಾಗಾಕಾರ ಪ್ರಮೇಯ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಟು HCF ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A is equal to BQ plus R. This is the composite number. Okay, positive number here, positive number. Q is the quotient and R is the remainder. Remainder ಅಂತಂತೀವಿ. R ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವರು R is less than or equal to R and less than B. Less than B. This is important. Okay. Based on this one, we will solve some examples. Okay. First question ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, so already saw the question. Let's see some question. Specific question. Show that every positive integer is the form of 2q and that every positive odd integer is the form of 2q plus 1 where q is a sum integer. Solved example ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇದೆ. ಶೋ ದಿ ಇವನ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಆಸ್ 2q ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಆಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2q plus 1 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಫಾರ್ q belongs to an integer. Okay, q belongs to z. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2q plus 1 and 2q ಅಂತಂದು. ಸೊ we should take the b is equal to as q. Okay, solution. Let the Euclid algorithm lemma Euclid's division lemma such that a is equal to bq plus r and a b. Okay, a b belongs to z plus such that a greater than b and q belongs to z, right? And 0 is less than equal to r less than b. This condition is important. Okay, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ solve many questions solve ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಂತೆ ರೂಢಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, let take b is equal to 2. Okay, if b is equal to 2 ಆದರೆ, so what are the values of r? Okay, 0 is less than r less than 2, so maximum is r is equal to 0, 1. You cannot take the 2 because r is less than 2. Okay, sir. For r is equal to 0, a becomes 2q plus 0. This implies a is equal to 2q. 2q means this is the even integer. Even because, okay, because 2q, okay, 2 divides 2q, right? Doesn't happen, right? 2 divides 2q completely. For r is equal to 1, a becomes 2q plus 1, right? A is equal to 2q plus 1. Therefore, this is odd because can write the same answer because 2 does not divides 2q plus 1. 4. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? Similarly, ಆತರ 4q plus 1, 4q plus 3 ಇದೆ. Okay, I am skipping that one. Okay, and the word problem ಇದೆ, so I am skipping that one. The burfi and badam. Okay, burfi and badam ನೋಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಬರ್ಫಿ and badam ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದೊಂದು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. So we'll read the question first. A sweet seller has 420 Kaju burfis and 130 Badam burfis. Question example 4 is for a sweet seller has 420, right? 420 Kaju burfi and how much? 130 Badam burfis. Badam burfi. Burfi is sweet. Burfis. So okay, she wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number, and they take up the least area of the tray. What is the number of that can be placed in each stack for this purpose? Okay, so she has these numbers of 420 Kaju burfis and 130 Badam burfis. She want to make it a stacks. Stacks is like that. Okay, these are sweets, no? Like that. In a tray. This is the tray. Right? Okay. Which means she has to same column, same stacks, same one stack should has the same numbers. So now we can look at that. Okay. For this we need to find the HCF. So HCF so we can easily divide the number of stacks, number of sweets in the stacks, right? So HCF, what is the formula? A BQ plus R, where A is greater than B. So here, so A is equal to 420 and B is equal to 120. Okay, then follow the formula. 420 you can write as 130 into 3 you can write na 3 means okay 3 plus 300 plus 90 30, right? 390 plus 30 420. Yes, again I have to take the 130 and 30. So I have to write multiples of 30. Multiples of 30. So 30 into 10 we can write. So plus 0. So okay, we are getting the 0 remainder. Therefore HCF of 130 and 140, 240, 420 is equal to 10. Okay, therefore number of, okay sir, each stack has 8 number of burfis, right? 10 kind of burfis. So C means stacks of 10 for both kinds of burfis. Stacks of 10 model. So okay, this is the 42 into 10 and 13 into 10. Okay, so iದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ close to ಕಾಜು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 42 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 13 stack ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So each stack has 10, right? Means she can add, okay, she can add 42 for 10 times and that is 10 times also. That can also done. Okay. Next question from the exercise part will show. Exercise part. Okay, use Euclid'S division algorithm to find the HCF of following. I will take the okay exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. So I will not do all these because almost all questions are available in the Google. Anyone you know as guides or something else. But I will tell the method how to find this one. Some difficult questions. Okay. I will take the 196 and 3820. B is second one. HCF of 196 and 38220. Okay, bigger one I take, right? So again here, what is our formula? A is equal to BQ plus R and A is greater than B and 0 is less than or equal to or less than b. So I have to write 3, 8, 2, 2, 0 in terms of 196, right? Into q, I don't know. Into q plus r, I have to write. So that's 196, that is 38,200. Okay. So nearest answer is you have 196 into 2. Okay. 19 into 2 we have 38. So this is 200. So there you can do 196. Okay. 196 into 20 into 200. Okay, this is 12 into 200. Means I multiply the 100 afterwards. 12. Okay. 18 plus 1, 19. 203. 3 nines. Okay. So 3 9 I will get 39. So I have to multiply by 8. Okay. Multiply by means this is 20 na. 200 na. I have to multiply by 198. Right? Oh. This is giving bigger value. Let me 196 into 198. How to multiply it? This can be done. 200 minus 4 into 200 minus 2 a minus b. Oh, that's not okay. Let it be there. Take the again 400. This one 4,000, 40,000. Right? 40,000 minus 400 minus 800. Right? 402 minus again minus 800. Right? 800 minus plus 8. So this becomes 40,000 minus 1,600. 30. Okay. 40,000 minus 1,600. 0, 0, 4, 1, 8. Oh, you are getting bigger value now. This is 3. 38440. Make 197. 197. This is 200 minus 4 into 200 minus 3. This becomes 40,000. Right? This becomes minus 600 minus 800 minus plus 12. Right? Again make the 41 minus 1200, 1400, 0, 0, 6, 1, 8. Still your formula 6, 8. This is again 1, 3. We are getting more than values 196. Let's make again 195 or 195 400. Yes, 195. 195. Oh, make it 200 minus 5. This becomes a 40,000 again minus 800. Right? Minus 1,000 plus 20. Again make it here 800, 1,800, 1,800. This is 0, this is 0. 8, 10 minus 2, 10 minus 8, 2, 1. 10 minus 2, 8. Right, 1. So 30 plus 20. Oh, 38 to 0. Yes. So this you can write directly 195 plus 0. Right? 195 plus 0. So 196 is the LC. Okay, is the HCF, I think so, right? Okay, sir. You got the answer. 196 is the HCF. it comes to be bigger one, but let be HCF of 196, not 196, or the value is 196 and 38220 is equal to 196, right? Next question is, right? Next question is, say the questions are quite tricky. So easy questions you can solve. 4 and 2 and 4 you can solve. So I will solve 3 and 5. Question number 3 is like that. Question number 3, exercise 1.1. 3 is there. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. So 2 groups are to march in a same number of columns. Right? What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Okay. There are the army for the parade. The army has contingent of 616, and the army of band party called leading party. They have 32 members. So you have to make the arrangement like that. Every column should be equal. Okay. You have to find the number of number of soldiers in a column. Okay. Or the given is 32 and 616. Right. So finding the HCF only they given like that. Okay, this is the A and this is the A, this is the B. So writing A is equal to BQ plus R, right? A is greater than B and 0 is less than equal to R is less than B. So I'm writing 616. I have to multiples of 32 into, right? 32 and 20 it is more 640. So you can 8, right? 19. Yes. 32 into 19 we can make na. So this we can write 32 into 20 minus 1. This is 640 minus 32. This is 608. Yes. 608. This is 19. Okay. 608 you got now. 616. 608. Remainder. So 6 okay. 60 minus 8, 8, 0, 0. This is the answer, 8. Here the remainder is still greater than 0. So, again, 32 is equal to 8. Multiples of 8. 8 to 4 plus 0. So, 8 is the HCF. HC of 32 and 616 is equal to 8. So, this is the army of column. Okay. Army of column 8. That is the answer. So what is the maximum number of columns in which? The maximum number of columns is 8. Right? So means 6 we can write 616 is equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. This we can write 8 into 4 into 19 plus 8. I am taking 8 as outside. 4 into 19, right? 19 plus 1. And again 32 we have 4 into, okay, 8 into 4. See here. This is one number and this is one number. Have the multiples, okay? If the band is like that, up to 4, 8, okay? 4 columns they are following. Right, up to 8, and army also follow this number of terms. Okay, that each column should have 8, 1 to 8, like that. Contingent of powers. Okay, right. Next question is. Okay. Okay, I am skipping the question number 2 and 4. That is easy. So you can by solving only. So question number 5 is use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is the form of 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 2. Okay, cube of question number 5, exercise 5, question number 5, cube of any positive integer. Okay, cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1, right, and 9m plus 8. ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ cube. Okay, so again method is same. Okay, questions are different, method is same. So again further includes division lemma. Division lemma is a is equal to b cube plus r where a is greater than b and 0 is less than equal to or less than b. Okay, sir. This you can take multiples of 3 now. So that I am taking b as a 3, then r becomes 0, 1, 2. Right? If we have taken 3 as, then r becomes 0, 1, 2. Maximum is 0 or 1 or 2. Again, right? So now for r is equal to 0, a becomes b cube, this becomes a becomes 3q, right? So cubic on both sides, this becomes 3 cube into q to the power 3. So this cannot write as 3 into 9 into 3 to the power q. This has 9 into m, where m is equal to 3 to the power q. Again, q is the integer, so again you get the same. Okay, you can add 3. Q is an integer, randomly you can take. Okay, therefore 1 is true. Therefore cubic can form in the form of multiples of 9, any positive integer. Second one. Okay, write that circuit. 9m na. So we take some numbers. Okay, cube of any positive integer in the form of 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. So if taken 2 is cube is 8, so here m equals 0, you will get 8, and 3 is 3 cube 27, right? 27 is 19 is 27. So here you can write 9 into 3. Again 4 is 64. So 9 into 7 plus 1, like that. Okay, like that. Say r is equal to, if r is equal to 1 and a becomes 3q plus 1. Okay, cubic on both sides, a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 to the power cube, right? This is equal to, what the formula, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? 3 square by b means you can write 9 into 3 into cube, right? Plus, okay, 3 square 3 into, okay, then 3 into 9 q square plus again 3 into 3 9, okay, a q square, right, plus 1. Nice. See, I am taking the 9 as outside. Okay, 9 as outside completely. So what is left is 3q plus 3 square plus q q square. This should be q, na? This should be q, not q square, right? This should be q, and this should be q plus 1. This is the answer. Again, this implies 9m plus 1, where m is equal to, okay, 3q plus 3q cube 3 square plus q. Again, 9m plus 1 here, right? So this has, okay. So I have to show the again for r is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. Have to show this part. If r is equal to 2, then a becomes b, means 3q plus 2. This implies a cube is equal to 3 to the cube plus 2 whole cube. Again, I am simply writing, okay, 9 into 3 cube plus, right, 3a square. Again, 9 into, right, 3a square is q square into 3. 3q square into 2, right? Then plus 3a 9 into q into 2, right? 2 square, right? Plus 2 to the power cube. So, and these terms are taking 9 as outside. I am taking 9 outside. The remaining is 3 9 cube plus 3 q square into 2, means it becomes 6 q square plus this I am taken as 4 q plus 8. 2 to the power cube is. So this becomes 9m plus 2, where m is equal to 3 to the power cube plus 6q square plus 4q. This is also an integer, because q is an integer, and the multiples of and square and cube of integer is also integer, right? So hence any cube of any positive integer is the form of 9m. 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. This is proved. 9m plus 8. Okay, I think so. ಆಡಿಸ್ ಶರ್ಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, ಓಕೆ, ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ದರ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ 2 parts. Next one is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, right? Again exercise 1.2 and revisiting the irrational numbers. Some basic are there. 1.4. Yes. Again you have the 2 concepts in this chapter. Okay, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 20 minutes ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ 28 minutes. ಸೊ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 40-45 minutes, ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ 30-35 ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 35 minutes. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಡಿಸ್ ಶರ್ಮಾ. ಆಡಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಯರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟಫ್ ಇರೋದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆಡಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್. You can solve any question, random questions, because here the tough question you have to solve, and tough question from the addition will be solved. So remaining is easy from the NCERT and easy from the addition. Okay, like that. Please follow it. Okay, next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ next question ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. Okay, if you take the b is equal to 3, if you take the b is equal to 9, it creates some complex. Again, multiple of cube of 9 is equal to. Better to take the 9. Okay, 3 also multiple of 9 is multiple of 3 na. So we can take b is equal to 3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಹುಡುಗರು ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ನನಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೂಢಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫೋಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಅಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC JEE ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಕೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಹುಡುಗರು ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಾರ್ವಲಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ಪ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಹುಡುಗರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗಾರು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಇದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇರೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೂಡ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೋಗಿದೆ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ತೋರಿ ಏನು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಗ ಘನಮೂಲ 9m ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಧನ ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಘನಮೂಲವು 9m ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 9m ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಘನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ವರ್ಗಮೂಲವು, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಘನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರೈಟ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ, ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರು ಕರಿತಿದ್ರು ನಾವು, ಧನ ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕಗಳು, ರೈಟ್, ಧನ ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕಗಳು, ಋಣ ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕಗಳಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಧನ ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕಗಳ ಘನವು ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಘನವು 9m ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 9m ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂನ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ. ಹೇಗಿರಲಿ, ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಡ್ನ ಭಾಗಾಕಾರ, ಅನುಪ್ರಮೇಯ ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈ ಥರ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಮೈನರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಪ್ಪ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓಕೆ, ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿರೋರು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು and I am helpless also, right? Okay, thank you and thank you for watching.